Hello everybody and welcome to today's morning markets. So today I'm going to focus on US employment data, and that is the continuing jobless claims data that was released yesterday. So what is the data first? So basically the data looks at US citizens who have been signing on for unemployment benefits over the longer term. So every time a US citizen looks at signing on, they have to do that every single week overall. So it gives us an idea of the amount of people who are longer term unemployed. Now, why is this important? It's important because if we look at what is happening within the US economy, the US unemployment rate right now is incredibly low, so it's around about 3.7%. Now, what does that mean? Well, it means that the US Central Bank, the Federal Reserve, are keen to get that unemployment rate higher and therefore actually reduce the very high inflation levels that we're seeing right now. So remember, headline inflation in the US is around about 7.7% currently. Now, what happened when the data was released? So the data came in higher than expected. So more people were claiming for unemployment benefit over the longer term than what was expected. So the weekly rise was 62,000. If we look at the overall figure, the figure came in at 1.671 million, and that compared to expectations of 1.6 million. Now, you've got to remember that it's not just this data point that we're looking at others, and we've seen quite a lot of volatility in the US stock market through this week, and that's really been focused on a couple of data points. So the first is the unemployment data from last Friday, which came in actually stronger than expected. So the employment data came in better than what people were expecting. And also we had the services, so what we call the ISM services PMI data that was released on Monday, which it came in stronger than what was expected. So all pointing to a more resilient US economy, but actually making investors nervous because investors therefore believe that the Federal Reserve will be more aggressive in raising interest rates overall. So that's everything from me. I hope you enjoyed today's morning markets, and I look forward to speaking to you next week. Thank you very much.
If you're interested in taking your investing to the next level, or would like to know more about the options available to you when you retire, then download our free guides to ISAs and pensions. These are available in the video description below.